Exercise 5, we're going to kind of do something fun here. This one is vMotion and storage vMotion. So Power CLI makes this really easy. And we'll start out by doing a little inventory to see where things are. So what we're doing here is a get VM. So we'll list all of our VMs. We're going to select the name, the host that it's on, and then there's some funny code here. And basically this just creates a custom column in my table. The name of the column is going to be data store, and then we're going to say get the data store for that particular VM. And the same thing with the cluster. So we're creating a custom column called cluster, and we're just going to say get the cluster for this particular VM. So we'll run this. We should have 4 columns: name, VM host, data store, and cluster. And there's our inventory. So we were going to talk about vMotion and storage vMotion. So let's figure out what we want to do here. It looks like VM host ESXi02 is a little overloaded. He's got 3 VMs on there. And then data store 02 is a little overloaded. He's got 3 virtual machines on there as well. So let's take alpha, and we're going to move VM alpha, and we're going to say destination ESXi01. It's moving the virtual machine right now. If I haven't mentioned it yet, the run async switch is very helpful, so it's not taking up your entire PowerShell session. And it's moved. Of course, it's powered off, so we kind of did a cold migrate. Works the same with a real live motion or vMotion. All right, so let's do that inventory again. And we can see that alpha is now on ESXi host 01, and it's still on data store 02. So let's go ahead and move it over to data store 02. So move VM alpha, we're going to pick a data store, and we're going to say data store 01. Again, I forgot my run async command, but these are real small virtual machines. There's no OS on them or anything. We just made them super small to do these types of functions quickly. And there we go. So state still powered off. Do our inventory again. There we are. Alpha on ESXi host 01 and data store 01.